If you want to specify a volumetric heat source in a specific region, there are several options. The first option is to add a volumetric heat source to the entire region. You just click on the region of your interest, so the region settings pop up. And you then scroll down until you see the power entry. Here you can enter a heating power in watt, which will be, in this case, applied to the complete fluid region. If you want to apply a volumetric heat source to only a small part in your fluid domain, for example, you first have to define a subregion. If the initial step file you uploaded already contained the subregion, this will be visible in the regions tree. By clicking on it, we see the subregion settings and they can be specified. First, if we want to apply a volumetric heat source, we need to choose the type general. Next, we can name it like we want. And finally, we need to set the heating power in watt. If your initial step file did not contain the subregion, you will have to create it first by clicking on the parent region and then clicking on the Add Subregion button in the region settings. You will now have to upload the step file of the subregion and give it a name. The next steps are again the same as we showed in this video.